Steve Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backward." But what if the power to connect those dots lies in something simpler? Not in ambition, hustle, or strategy, but in gratitude? Sounds unrealistic, right? But here's a fact. Neuroscience says that being grateful can rewire your brain, boost happiness, and even heal trauma. And it's not just a spiritual philosophy. It's science-backed, celebrity-verified, and psychologically proven. In the next few minutes, we're diving deep into stories of people like Oprah, Virat Kohli, Keanu Reeves, and even Nelson Mandela, to uncover the raw, powerful truth about how gratitude shapes a happier life. Ready to rethink happiness? What gratitude does to your brain? Gratitude isn't just saying thank you. It's a neurological shift. When you practice gratitude, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the exact chemicals antidepressants are designed to boost. A 2009 NIH study showed that people who consistently express gratitude have higher activity in the hypothalamus, which regulates stress and sleep, and greater blood flow to the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, linked to decision-making and joy. So when you're grateful, you're literally training your brain to feel more peace. Let's talk Oprah. She's interviewed presidents, billionaires, and spiritual gurus. But do you know her biggest happiness tool? A gratitude journal.
16 years ago, I started a gratitude journal, and I will have to say, it was the single most important thing I believe I've ever done.
For over 20 years, Oprah has written down 5 things she's grateful for every night. She credits this small act for turning her chaos into calm and anchoring her success. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you'll never have enough. Oprah Winfrey. Her practice was even featured in Harvard's positive psychology curriculum. Why? Because students who replicated it reported 25% higher life satisfaction within 30 days. Keanu Reeves, known for his calm demeanor and humility, has faced tremendous loss. His best friend died of an overdose. His daughter was stillborn. His partner died in a car crash. And yet, he's never lost his gentleness. In interviews, he speaks often about being grateful for every breath, every moment, and being able to walk. He once said, "I cherish every moment I'm alive." That's gratitude, man. Psychologists call this post-traumatic growth. When people emerge stronger, not in spite of pain, but because of gratitude through it. The 5-3-1 gratitude model, backed by science. Here's a practice that takes less than 5 minutes. 5 things you're grateful for. 3 kind words you said to someone today. 1 moment you paused and breathed. Do this for 21 days. A study by Dr. Robert Emmons, one of the world's leading gratitude researchers, showed that people who did this slept better, had lower blood pressure, and were 23% more optimistic. Virat Kohli, performance and perspective. India's cricket captain, Virat Kohli, is known for his aggression on the field. But off the field? He attributes much of his mental strength to gratitude. In an interview after his form dip, he revealed, "When I stopped obsessing about runs and started being grateful for playing the game I love, my peace returned. My game followed." Gratitude helped him perform better. Not because he pushed harder, but because he let go. This is backed by performance psychology. Gratitude improves focus, reduces mental fatigue, and increases motivation, making it a competitive edge in sports and business. The Gratitude Letter, a Harvard secret. Harvard psychologists ran an experiment. Participants wrote 1 letter of gratitude to someone who changed their lives, even if they never sent it. Result: their happiness spiked for over a month. Try it now. Think of someone, a teacher, friend, or parent. What would you say if you had 60 seconds to thank them? That surge in warmth you feel? That's neurochemical magic in action. Mandela's prison practice. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison. No sunlight, no books, no family. And yet, he emerged with grace. His secret? Each night before sleep, he would list the smallest things he was grateful for, even if it was a bird's chirp or a guard who didn't shout. This wasn't weakness. It was mental strength. Gratitude was his rebellion, his anchor, his shield. Why monks are happier than CEOs. In 2005, researchers scanned the brains of Tibetan monks using fMRI. They found unusually high gamma waves linked to compassion, clarity, and, you guessed it, gratitude. Every breath is a gift. Every sunrise is a teacher. Unlike CEOs chasing quarterly goals, monks chase presence. And gratitude is their daily fuel. They start mornings with bows, not to a god, but to life itself. We chase happiness like it's buried treasure. But what if it's already in our pockets? Gratitude isn't a hack. It's a way of seeing, noticing the warm coffee, the friend who texts, the body that breathes. In a world that trains us to complain, comparison kills joy, but appreciation brings it back. So here's your challenge. Tonight, before you sleep, don't scroll, don't swipe. Just write down 3 things. What made you smile? Who made your day easier? What did you forget to appreciate? That's it. Because in the end, happiness doesn't come from having more. It comes from noticing what's already here. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. You don't need to change your life. You just need to see it differently. And the moment you do, the joy begins.